Picture this, the most terrifying natural disaster you could imagine. Well, there is a ticking time bomb that we do know about, the Yellowstone supervolcano, which in theory could erupt at any moment. The devastation would be catastrophic. Massive ash clouds, climate change, earthquakes, tsunamis, and destruction on a scale you've never seen. This isn't science fiction, this is a real threat, and we should be prepared for the worst. Thankfully, Yellowstone isn't overdue for an eruption or anything like that, but it's been 640,000 years since it last erupted, and it is now ready again.